Yo, what's up? My name is Joseph Cole. Welcome back to another video. So I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little update. So right now I'm actually gonna try to focus more on YouTube, trying to post a little bit more videos, trying to help people learn things they don't teach you in school, maybe like that Yeezy video. Check it down below. No, I'm just kidding. But if you guys haven't watched that video was actually pretty fun to make, so go check it out. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about budgeting. So if you don't know what budgeting is, it's kind of like writing down all your expenses and all your incomes and then calculating the overall like net inflow, outflow, or whatever. So the benefits of actually budgeting is you can kind of see where all your money is going, where it's getting spent, where it's coming in from. It kind of gives you control over your money a little bit. And it also allows you to potentially reach financial freedom. So I actually made a spreadsheet right here on my computer. I'll show you guys in a second, but if you guys already know the benefits of budgeting and everything, you could just skip the video and just download the link in the description. It's actually not a download link, it's a link to my Google Sheets, and then you can just basically make a copy of it. I'll show a tutorial of it, but if you guys don't know how to do that, just skip the video, go click the description, and then it's a free budgeting sheet that I made. So yeah, we'll just look into the spreadsheet right now. Yes, sir. Alright, so we're actually back on this computer, or we're on the computer right now. So this is the budgeting sheet I created. It's pretty simple, but it took me like 30 minutes to make because I needed to find out like all the formulas and everything situated. So basically how you use this simple budgeting sheet, it just tracks your expenses, your income, and then it subtracts everything total, like how much you're spending total. So your net flow, it could be negative or positive depending on how much you make, how much you spend. But to just show you guys an example, this is one of my expenses. So you put in the date. Date doesn't really matter, so you can put it, but it allows you to just track like how much you spent that day or this week or however you want to calculate it. So say I spent $50 on that, and basically for the category you have to put like any specific categories. You could change it yourself, but make sure don't change any of these because it will mess everything up. But so say you rent, you pay $50 for rent, which is not ideal, but yeah. So $50 goes right here to the rent. It goes to the rent category, and you spend $50 from this amount right here, right? This amount right here. And then it basically goes down to your expenses. So you have a net flow of negative $50. So you spent $50. You don't have any income, so that's why it's negative. So say you get paid on the 2nd, right? You normally get paid on the 1st and the 15th, but normally. So say you made $400 that week, right? And specific, you could put anything you want. Say I got it from a check, right? So boom, it comes into my total income. So my net flow is that I'm saving $350, but you need to track your whole month basically. So I'll give you guys an example here. Alright, so boom, this is one example of my expenses. So this one looks a little bit better, but it doesn't, it works literally the same. So I basically track all my expenses for that specific month, and then I put it under the category. So I don't pay rent because I live at home, but yeah. So this is my September 2019 monthly expense, so and income. So I put every category: food, gas, food, gas, school is probably like books or something, but yeah. So this, my income basically right here is positive. So I spent $531 that specific month of September 2019. So I had an income of $3,500, but that was because I got a scholarship and 2 paychecks. But I didn't include my tips or anything. But besides this, just an example though. So this is a net flow basically. So I basically saved $2,900 that month. So going back to this example, say you spent like $500 and it goes to food, right? Then you'd be negative. So basically, if you want to add your own category, I will actually extend this section right here
and put like a few miscellaneous categories so you can actually enter your own category. So basically to change it, you just double click right here and then type whatever you want. Yeah, that's the gist of how the budgeting works. So basically to get this budgeting sheet, there will be a link in the description, and then you basically copy it. So basically once you click the link, you go to file on top, but since you only can view it, you click file on top and then you click make copy, and then you just rename it whatever you want, and then yeah.
So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe, comment what you thought. It's actually accessible on mobile device too, so if you check right here, if it'll focus, here you go. So you could enter whatever you want from this phone, like so and so, whatever, and then it will still calculate everything. So basically you just enter everything on the phone, it'll calculate everything for you. So once again, if you found that useful, please share with your friends, because everyone needs to learn how to budget. Everyone needs to know where their money's going, how much, if they're going negative or positive this month. So yeah, until next time, continue getting that cheese. Yes sir.